Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell 16 plus 2-in-1 driver. So first you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website, so you can download the driver. Okay. After that click on support and then click on driver and download. Then if you know about your laptop service tag serial number, so you can enter and search. Otherwise you can don't know, you just enter the model number of your laptop. Dell 16 plus. So you can see Dell 16 plus two more systems, so all driver installations process same. Select which is using, but driver installations driver download process same. So you can see after that there are two method, automatic and manually. So automatic means guys, you just click to update, so your required driver it will show and you can install. Okay, if you install manually one by one, so please select this one. Okay, this is your system and then click on categorize. Okay, so all one by one, BIOS, NAC, USB and all. Okay, so scroll down, chipset driver, and you can see serial driver and click to download. And you click to download, it will start downloading. It will take some time, seconds, and just single click to open, and then yes, after that click to install. You can see operation successfully installed, and then okay.